Chemistry skill study. Red onion, water, vinegar, baking soda solution, spoon, container. First, cut the onion. Done. Now boil the water. Now put the onion. Turn off the fire and let it rest. Now pour the solution. This is the result. Pour into water. Pour into baking soda solution. Pour into vinegar. This is the result.
Water.
Baking soda.
Vinegar.
pH indicators are weak acids that exist as natural dyes and indicate the concentration of ions in a solution via color change. pH indicators are used to determine the acidity or basicity of the solution visually. I think red onion is a good pH indicator because the red onion is rich in anthocyanins. Its liquid is colored purple, but in contact with acidic substances, it becomes red. While in contact with basic substances, it becomes green. The color shown by this indicator can be matched against a pH scale.